When I look in her eyes, it ain't no surprise. Sparks started flying like the 4th of July. She gets me so hot and my heart starts a-popping. We get to kissing, there ain't no
Are you ready?
Yes, ready.
I'd like to be a part of the Firecracker team.
When I light the fuse, I gotta get back quick. You gotta be careful with a dynamite stick. Son of a gun, she's fun to handle, and she packs a punch like a Roman candle. She's a pack of black cats in a red wrapper. My little darling is a firecracker. My firecracker, burn the barn down one of these days. We're a match made in heaven, man, it ain't no joke. But I sure
I'll see him with the champ anytime. Yes, rub it off on me.
You're rubbing off on me.
How you gonna do?
Win. 5.
boys, I tell you, it's a beautiful thing. When she takes off, you better hang on tight. She's a blonde bottle rocket in the middle of the night. When she makes love, she's a heart attacker. My little darling is a firecracker. We might not ought to take a row in the hay, 'cause we burn the barn down one of these days. We're a match made in heaven, man, it ain't no joke. But I sure hate to see it go up in smoke. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. Well, she's a firecracker, she's a light of my life.
Look out, baby, 'cause here I come. And I'm bringing you a love that's true. So get ready, so get ready. I'm gonna try to make you love me too. So get ready, so get ready. Here I come. Get ready, 'cause here I come. I'm on my way.
Pam Shriver, born on the 4th of July, so with heartfelt good luck, I wish the Firecrackers all the best in Tucson. Bring home the title to Baltimore, and just remember, keep cool, keep your eye on the ball, and talk to your partner, and have a lot of fun. All the best.
Cops have you on film too.
They probably do.
Bad boys, what you gonna do?
What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys.
That was amazing. People stood up and clapped for us. Took
Right.
our photos. We were the celebrity of the night.
You're unbelievable.
Two undefeated girls at nationals. That's awesome, awesome.
It's unbelievable. You burden me with your questions. You have me tell no lies. You're always asking what it's all about. Don't listen to my replies. You say to me I don't talk enough, but when I do, I'm a fool. These times I've spent, I've realized you should through and leave you the things you say.
I want you to be undefeated at nationals.
And Baltimore Huns was in charge. And tennis is awesome. It's been a great week. Firecrackers. Awesome job. We really played hard, dug deep, and we had a lot of fun. Most of all, we had a lot of fun.
You're so unbelievable.